What's up, everybody? Let me get my camera straight, then we'll get kicked off. Camera's not working too well. Welcome back to another live stream, though. Give me a few minutes to get everything set up, and then we'll get kicked off. Yeah, my shit's blurry, dude. There we go. Got it fixed up. What's up, Mr. Rick? How you doing, man? How you feeling about this crypto dip? So we'll give everyone a few minutes to roll in, and then we'll get kicked off, man. Pretty nice reversal, though, from that 20,768 dip that we saw here. But very important, man. We took a big step down here across crypto, so we're paying attention to it. 4-hour chart, I could probably pop a nice little line. I might actually do that just to see if, at 17,596. Which, if that line does hold true, that would be, might be a pretty good buying opportunity right where we're currently sitting at. You might catch another leg up. But here off the 4-hour chart, still haven't recovered quite yet. Off the 30-minute chart, looking still pretty bearish right there. So 5-minute chart, you saw a pretty quick reversal from 20,768. So not looking too bad. Check the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour chart still looking pretty bad. Put that right there. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of that for right now. So we're currently trading at 21,295. Got a little double bottom action going down on the 1 hour chart right here at 20,768. So we're going to put that right there and see if we can maintain that here for the next couple of days. What's up, Doors R Us? How you doing, man? Good to see you, bro. S Hall says I'm buying even if it dips more. Yeah, it's not a bad dip, man. Pick you up some crypto right here. So I feel you, S Hall. In the outlook, though, now here, I'm going to come back and pop this trend line. Hold on. Get rid of this. Get in a position where I can pop it pretty good. So it'd be pretty nice, man, if we can maintain this. That support going horizontally and that little trend line, if that holds true. So as of right now, 1, 2, that'd be a third touch point. So we're still in an ascending level, even though we saw that pretty good drop. So might be a good potential buying opportunity here across the board. People taking profits, so it's not looking too bad, man. So charts for Bitcoin, of course, 25,000. You know, that's pretty good support. All my lines are going too, by the way, guys. Webull had to do an update, so it took all my lines away when I updated it. So we'll just keep them fresh from now on. Give you a little channel, and we are toward the bare bottom of that channel. After that, you're looking around 18.5 for some major support. So maybe even 19,000 flat. So that's what I'm looking like if we break to the downside right here. Even though, you know, right here you got to bounce at, what is that? 18,900. So pretty much 19,000. You got some pretty good support. So we're gonna hope we maintain this level right here. Let's check out the 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart's looking really good. You're starting to get some volume stepping in. It's not looking too bad ever since you hit that low of 20,768. Seeing a pretty good recovery here off the 1 minute chart all the way at 21,325. So not looking too bad. No, it's all good. Doors are us, man. Welcome, bro. If you're brand new, man, please hit that sub button for us, man. I'll be dropping my Twitter handle in here too, man. If you're on Twitter, make sure to drop me a follow. I'll follow you back. This all says each dip, just buy more, and when it hits bottom, buy more of these prices. We see not more of these prices we see not. We'll be back. So you thinking these is pretty much bottom for you, huh? And look, man, you could be right. This could be pretty close to bottom, man. We're holding support, and we're seeing pretty good pullbacks. So I wouldn't argue with you there, man. Pretty good buying opportunities across the board right now, man. 5-minute chart, of course, it shows it breaks down a little bit more. That 4-hour chart, guys, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking for this big bounce right here. So we're currently trading above it off the 4-hour chart. We're going to see if we can maintain this. But that 50 is about to cross that 200. So that's definitely a technical indicator to pay attention to right here. But will we fall again? It's possible. It happened right here. We crossed underneath it, completely fell out. And then right here, you know, we consolidated, you know, a little downward trend before we fell out. This is a little bit of uptrend, got rejected off the 200. And then we crossed it here, had a little rally, but still in that bear market territory right here, guys. So anytime you're facing, you know, some pretty good profits throughout the day, man, I'd recommend, you know, taking some profits off the board. If you, like when Shiba you know, gained 50% in that one day, that's always good opportunity. Take some profits off of days like that, man. Just for days like this, you know, it's below that 14.00 range that we talked about. We're going to be breaking down some TA on Shiba 2 tonight. We're going to go over to Ethereum, kind of check out what's happening off the 4-hour chart. So I still got my lines here off of Ethereum. So we just broke below 1600, which was some pretty good support, of course, here for Ethereum. You got the 14 hooking underneath the 200 moving average right now. So looking a little bit more bearish. But here in the long term, let's kind of zoom out here off the 4-hour chart. Really not looking too bad. Maybe a little bit more room to come back down. You might see 1350 before it's all said and done, before you get a true bounce. You probably have to go back to the daily. Here off the daily chart right here, you are getting a bounce off that 50, which is at 1539. So it'd be nice to see you maintain that and maybe start working our way back up. Like I said, with that Bitcoin chart, the way it's looking, if this is bottom, which is very possible. Let me reference back over there to Bitcoin real quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. This is really bottom, where you're kind of getting this. Let me zoom in for you guys. Where you're kind of getting these valleys right here. This could be the valley, to where you could see a pretty quick reversal. You know, from the peak right here. This is 720. So within a week's time frame, that'd put it, you know, around August 29th. Maybe you'll start to catch that wave back up if we are truly bouncing right here. So I'm really hoping that's the case right now. And it doesn't really look like a bad opportunity to pick up some. So it's going lower, but it's real low now. 12K is probable, no doubt. Yeah, we'll see what happens, man. What's up, Jizzy, bro? The $9 Oxy shares are looking nice. Yeah. Where'd it end up at on Friday, bro? Occidental Petroleum ended up at 71.29. Berkshire Hathaway purchased even more of the company. So Jizzy's actually one that put me on Occidental, but I paper hands at 450. And you can see where it's going now. So can't win them all, man. Jay Him, sure, bro. Give me 1 second. Jay Him, did you join Discord, man? I'll drop you a wrench, though, bro. I'm gonna do it from my phone. It's just easier. All right, cool. Got you set up, bro. This is my Twitter handle too, guys. If you're not following me on Twitter, drop me a follow, man. I'll make sure to follow you back. Make sure y'all guys have the notifications on too, man. I'd greatly appreciate it. Did you get any Apple in the dip? I didn't even watch Apple, man, on Friday. I was kind of paying attention to AMC and of course Occidental. Damn, that'd have been a pretty nice dip to grab too. Let's see where it finished. It's down 1.51%. Came from 128 to 176. Daily looks pretty awesome on it, man. It's a really nice rip. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend grabbing some right here. I mean, there's a chance you could bounce off this 50 at 170 and keep going. But then after that, you got 180. So I'm going to go ahead and pop 180. So we'll see what happens with that. But man, yeah, if you'd have picked it up off the dip right here, man, that was good stuff. Really nice rip. Let me pull up some Shiba, man. We're gonna do some TA on some Shiba. Kind of talk about where Shiba's at for the short term here. Appreciate it, Rick. I had some nice plays on ASTS this last month. Where's that thing at? $12. I'll pull up the chart real quick. Oh yeah, man. Damn. Yeah, if you were in this thing early, went from $6 to 14. 14.50 actually. Chart looks really bullish too, man. Kind of looks like it's heading back to that 50. Most of the time it is. So 1107 might be a good entry point, but good stuff, man. You did well with that one. That's why you need to join the Discord, SL, man. You can post your plays like that. So, I know a lot of people old school, they don't like Discord, but it is what it is. But man, Shiba, man, if you would have got the alert, man, we told everybody it's going back to 14. It actually went lower than our price target that we thought. Went to 200. Bounced off of 12.52. Now we're at 13.04. It's looking still a little bullish here off the 4-hour chart. Just had a, you know, you missed this 50% pump. You know, that was the time we were telling people, hey, it's probably not a bad idea to take some profits because everything comes back down eventually. And that's exactly what happened with Shiba Inu here, guys. But off the long-term charts, I still feel like you have some room to pull back, especially if crypto keeps trending the way it is. So I'm expecting at least a 12.000 right here, 12.0 retest for Shiba, unless we get a solid bounce off of this 200 moving average here off the 4-hour charts. 30-minute chart looking really weak, sitting lower highs, lower lows, so still in a bit of a downtrend there. Go to 1-hour chart, you know, could be a start of reversal, but you know, I'm still thinking we trend maybe a little bit lower, especially off the 4-hour chart if we can't hold this 200 EMA moving average right here. Other than that, we got support at 12.00, and if we don't bounce here and we get rejected here, we'll definitely start to see those levels. But you got lots of support right here, so I'm hoping you know, we can maintain that 12 level as support. So we'll see what happens here in the future. What's up, Miller? Good to see you, bro. Oxy has to break 74, next leg up. Man, you think it's going higher than 74? I'll pull up the charts after this, but man, had a wonderful day on Friday, and man, messed up. Doors are us. Welcome to Tier 2. Hey, thank you for becoming a member, man. I really do appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Check out the weekly on Sheep. Absolutely, man. Look at all them charts, man. Well, it's starting to trend back upwards. Let me move this real quick. I don't even know what this is. That's the 200. That's the 50 for the weekly. So, yeah, it's starting to trend back up. And you don't have much in the way, man. So, you do have that 1800 as pretty heavy resistance. But for the past couple weeks, man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green candles in a row. So, I mean, I'll take the slow climb up, man. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. So, you know, slow and steady wins the race, man. You'll definitely get to where you're going. Hey, what's up, Legendary? Good to see you, man. Thanks for joining up, man. Hopefully, you're doing well, man. Hopefully, you're making money in these markets. I know these markets are tough right now. So, that's sheep on the weekly, guys. But the 4-hour chart, looking a little bullish. I think I might tweet that out. And we are bouncing off that 200. So, how far can we go? Will we see a reversal in crypto? I don't know. But the 5-minute, 1-minute chart starting to look a little bit better. We're starting to get some volume stepping in. Let's kind of check out the RSI, pull up the indicators real quick, see where we're at. So off the 5-minute chart here, you're at 53. Let's check the 4-hour. Just kind of get a gist of what we're looking at. So way oversold, man, 36. So if this is actually truly a bounce point right here, your RSI is looking lovely. It looks like a perfect opportunity to pick up some. I would have to say this is a pretty good investment point, guys. Your MACD's set up for a flip right here. I think you're going to flip green. I think this is going to be a bounce opportunity. So if you're looking for a place to get some quick tendies right now, I do feel like SHIB is set up in a pretty good position to see a reversal right here, especially with the MACD and the RSI indicators showing us we could be in store for a pretty nice little rip right here. Maybe even back to 1400 or above. So be on the lookout for that, guys. We could see a little rip here off of Shiba Inu here in the next day or two. Hopefully before Monday, and get people excited once again. I want to check, double back to Ethereum and Bitcoin real quick, and double check the RSI real quick on Ethereum. See where we're at. Kind of see if we're all in the 30s across the whole board on crypto. Let me pull up the RSI and the MACD. Yeah, so you're still, man, you're even worse here off of Ethereum. You're at 27. And the MACD looks like it could be, not quite yet looking for a flip. But, man, let's double back. Last time we were at 27. We're at 29 here. And that was at 13. And you had to run all the way at 2,000. So, shoo, man. Last time you were at 20. I mean, you got to remember, though, guys, the RSI gets as low as, I just saw 17, 15. So way oversold. So really hoping for a reversal here. MACD looks like it's due for a little pump. So you might get a little tendies out of the next move if you are buying the dip here. So just keep that in mind, guys. I'm going to pull up Dogecoin real quick. Take a look at Doge. And I'll pretty much cover our meme stocks for meme cryptos for the night. I appreciate it, Doris. Really do, man. Oh, 74. Let's pull up Oxy, man. I haven't looked at the charting, bro. I just looked at what happened to it the other day. That was a really good play in the beginning of the year, man. You called that shit, bro. That was a really good play, dude. And look at this beauty, dude, just hanging out there. I bet you try to consolidate. I think he'll stay over 70, man. Really nice fucking move. But yeah, I see that 74 you're referring to right here, man. So we're gonna go ahead and mark that 74. That's 75. We'll mark that top right there. But it's setting itself up, man. If you can have a little bull flag waving in the wind right here, consolidation above that 70 range, I think you're in perfect position to set yourself up for a break above 74. Now, Occidental, I think I have to go back to the yearly or the monthly. Man, that's been a tough level for it too, man. Holy shit. Look at that. That's 74, 74.80, man. I would love to see it break through and just make a brand new all-time high. But yeah, you could be getting close to taking some profits off this thing pretty soon, man. Occidental Petroleum, 50% owned by Berkshire Hathaway. If it's going to break a top here, pretty much 76 to 80. If it's going to break that, now's going to be the time, man. But I'd be looking to take some profits once that does happen. But came all the way back from $9. That's what he was referring to. My boy was buying it at 9. And turned out to be a hell of a fucking play, man. Good stuff, man. It just took, this was October of 2020. And of course, you know, almost a year, 2 years down the road. Now we're facing, you know, almost $72 almost on Occidental, guys. So that turned out to be a beautiful fucking play. Let me pull it back up, Doge. Perspective. Here's Doge on the monthly. Actually, Shiba looks a little bit better off the monthly. Nice little bear flag though here on Doge here on the 4-hour chart. So we're gonna get into that here in a few minutes. What's up, Bullfrogging? Good to see you, man. Glad I caught you on the mic at Bulldogs the other day, man. That was cool stuff. SL says, buy even if it dips, then buy some more. Doors is very instrumental in Bulldog daily trading team. That's what's up, man. Did you check out the article in the DMs about MMF? Yeah, I can read it out to you, man. I can read it out to the fam, kind of talk about it. Let me pull up the Twitter handle. Guys, if y'all just tune in, man, if y'all could hit that like and subscribe button for us if you're brand new to the channel. Also, if you got any questions, man, feel free to come up. Give me 1 second. I'm just getting this pulled up. All right. Let me bust out this, and then I'm going to touch base on that MMF. What's up? Miller says, spell is banger. Borrow Video puts up a very good point. He says, man, looks like bottom for BTC is holding, but maybe one more spike down, flush out the people and the longs. Could be, man. I'm going to go over Bitcoin again because we got a few new people in the room. But Dogecoin here off the 4-hour chart, not looking too bad. Kind of the same across the board, guys. A lot of charts looking the same. But if I could pop a... it always gets in my way right there. You know, this could be a bounce point. Could be a freaking bounce point across the board, man. Could be seeing bottom here for the short term. And we could enter ourselves to another little rally right here. Dogecoin off the 4-hour here. RSI is at 26. So make sure that's accurate right here. So not 35. So that's the time when you want to kind of start to look to get in, man. Once that RSI on the 4-hour charts below, you know, pretty much anywhere below 40, that's looking like a pretty good entry point. That MACD fell hard, so that could be due for a little flip here. You could get a little, you know, 10% play out this thing. So we'll see what happens here in the next couple days. But for all you newcomers that just got here, Bitcoin, we popped a few little lines here that supported pretty much 21. Let's see where this is at, 21.2. So are we breaking down right now? Let me see, 1 minute chart. Yeah, it's starting to come down a little bit right now, but let me get back to my charting right here. Okay, so that's it's all on my way, 20,700. So that's our little line right here. Let me widen this up. Oh, that's why. I got the RSI MACD right here. That's messing me all up. 20,700. That's the line that we really, really freaking want to hold. We are above it right now, but we're gonna see if we can maintain this level and continue have a continuation here going forward, guys. Especially with the way crypto's been moving lately. You do have 1, 2, 3 touch points ever since that 17,500 breakdown that we saw. So we're still in an uptrend, guys. Still in a freaking uptrend. But we're gonna want to see, you know, this reversal right here. And we do have that 25,000 break that, you know, we talked about here on the stream multiple times. we didn't get the break over 25,000. Of course, we were going to see a pretty hard rejection. That's exactly what happened, guys, bringing us all the way down to, I think the low was 20,750 right there. So trying to come off of that to see if we can see a reversal. RSI right now for Bitcoin, you know, hit a real low of 13. Wow, that's really low, and it's still really low right now, 29. So way oversold, man. And honestly, looking like the MACD wants to have a flip here shortly. So you could see a little rally right here, at least back up to the 200, which is at 23,000. That would give you maybe a little 5-10% rally across some altcoins across the board, guys. So that's what I'd be looking for. What's up, Robert Harris? How you doing, bro? S Hall just bought some Matic. What's Matic doing, man? We haven't pulled up no Matic in a while. Guys, if you got any questions on some cryptos, let me know. Pull up some Polygon. Let me put a ticker here from ASTS. Put Matic. And real quick before I hop into TA on Matic, I want to check coin market cap. And then I'm going to hop over and talk about some MMF finance. Some staking opportunities for you guys out there that are putting up some pretty good rewards. Coin market cap. Let's see what big movers we had today. So I'm not really seeing, man, it's a sea of red. Past 7 days. Shiba's still up over the past 7 days, 1%. So in the green over the past 24 hours. Wrapped Bitcoin up 1%. Monero actually up 4.17%. Privacy token. HBAR up 2%. EOS token. EOS is up 10%. Is that correct? Yeah, it's up 10.17% today. So a little mover on the day, raising some eyebrows. Pancake Swap up. Nexo, I've been kind of keeping my eye on Nexo. That's 87 cents right now, but it's bucking the trend a little bit, and it's gained its way into the top 100. Currently number 78 coin market cap in EXO. We might pull up the charts here in a few, kind of show you guys that. Other than that, man, top 100 cryptos, nothing really popping. EOS is up 10%, probably the biggest gainer of the day. But I can tell you the ones that really got hit. Cardano down 25% in the past 7 days. Ethereum down 20% in the past 7 days. Let's see what else we got. Pretty much eliminating all the gains that we saw. Ethereum Classic down 23%. Where are we at? Yeah, just 20% across the board, man. So the market, pretty much across the board, erased 20%. So no real big movers out right now. No, I know, man. Absolutely, I know. Hey, appreciate it, Bullfrogging. Appreciate it, guys. So, Matic right now, man. All right, let's check it out. RSI is actually starting to flip green right here. So that could be an indication of a, you were just starting to get a little green dot right here. So let me pull up the MACD right there. Take that off. RSI is currently at 36. So still really oversold territory. Could be a pretty good pump coming in, guys. Let me take the RSI off. We do have resistance here at 90 cents. Pretty much I popped a while back. And I just moved that. I didn't want to move that. Sorry. So where are we currently sitting at? 79 cents. So 80, of course, is going to be a pretty flat number to try to get over. But the RSI is starting to turn upwards. So even when you had this little rally all the way at $1.05, where was your RSI? It was at 75. So way overbought. Now it's way oversold. So if now it's going to be as good as time as ever to probably pick you up some. Little bear flag though, so be aware of that, guys. But in the gist of things, you know, I could probably draw a pretty good line. Let me zoom back out. I could draw a pretty good line uptrend that I'm really hoping we see across the board. The only thing about Matic is it's the 200's kind of up there, so that 50 is about to cross. So we'll probably see some death crosses this upcoming week. across the board, guys. So nothing to be surprised about. Will we keep heading down further? We got pretty strong support at 72 and 70 cents. So that would kind of be an entry point where I might look to pick up some more. But like I said, MACD giving us an indication that it could flip here and start heading back above 80 and maybe get back to that 80, who knows, 87, 89 cent range. We're starting to see some pretty good reversals across the board, and you know, Matic could definitely be the one that benefits from that. MACD not really turning green here yet off the 4-hour chart here for Bitcoin, but we're trying to maintain support right now, guys. 20,750 right there. So if we see a break below that, watch out, man. Gloves are going to come off. You know, we'll be testing 20,000 once again as soon as this upcoming week. So we'll see if that happens or not. But you know, I'm optimistic that we could see this could be the bottom for right now, and we could get another little rally and have a continuation, and maybe work our way back up to another 25,000 retest. So we didn't get that 25,000 break like we thought we would, and you know, have some pretty nice pumps, because after that, guys, the bears see it too. There's not shit off the charts all the way up to 27.28. So that's what I was hoping we would get. We didn't get it, but we will eventually. Ethereum 2.0, there's word that stakers might sell and dump the price. Yeah, because they've been I heard that too, man. They've been actually staking their 2.0 for quite their Ethereum for quite some time. But nobody knows what's gonna happen, man. This thing is what, 3.5 weeks out, so it could take you a little while to get back to see what happens, man. I think you're gonna see a pretty nice little pump. I just took that MMF stuff off. I'm gonna be going over that here in a few minutes, but yeah, there is a chance, man, that when everything goes through, that they could end up, you know, dumping their Ethereum on the market, man, because they've been holding it for so long. So definitely something to pay attention to. J Him says, I long sheep 2 nights ago and took some profits and then added back in. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, because man, we tried to warn everybody, and it actually went lower than where I thought it was going to go before we saw that bounce off that 200. So I thought we were going to maybe see that 1400 act as support. But, man, right now, bear market times, anytime you get that 50, 60% pump, man, take your profits and buy back in right before, pretty much at the level it was right before it took off. And that's exactly where it's at right now, guys. So just always pay attention to that, especially right now in the bear markets. You're going to be you want to take profits whenever you see these pumps like we're seeing. So just keep that in mind. Sorry, let me pull something up here off my phone. Give me 1 second. Turn that down. All right, guys. Let me see this real quick. See, Gamer, man, I'd like to have you come on the stream, dude, and we can talk about this, because I've read the article of the MM, but I'm not the one to break this down, man. This is quite a bit of information. But basically, what he's been doing is staking his MMF and actually making some pretty good passive income. MMF has been, you know, he started talking about it from when it first started out, and man, it's done some pretty good stuff. I was skeptical about MM Finance when it first came out, but it's been doing its thing, man, and I think it's been treating you well, huh? Are you down? Yeah, you'd have to get Discord, and then I can get you in, man. If you don't want to do it tonight, that's fine, but one night we'll get you up, man. Or just whenever you get some time, let me know. because this is a lot of information, and I'm not the expert on finance, but I have been reading up on it. Let's see this. What's up, RW? Good to see you too, man. You buying it, you holding, you selling, what you doing, man? We're seeing a pretty good pullback right now, but looking like a good buying opportunity, good bounce opportunity coming across the board. So set up this 1 minute chart here. That's Shiba. Let me get over to Bitcoin. I just wish, I hope some of y'all took our advice, man, that we put out there, that Shiba's gonna pull back off that pretty nice little pump, and you know, hopefully y'all took some profits right there, man. See this. It's not too much news coming out of Bitcoin, man. Let's see how the Chinese markets are reacting. Check the news right there. Oh, there we go, man. Well, I'll be live tomorrow night, so I might start it a little bit earlier. If you want to break down some MMF staking for us, man, kind of tell us how you got into it. Tell us the whole story, man. I'll hit you up on Twitter, bro. We'll definitely make something happen to where we get you on the live stream, man, and you know, have you break it down for us, because I remember from the beginning, man, I was kind of like skeptical about it, and you know, I'm starting to hear a lot more great things about it, and it's hard to find them gems, man, especially in the crypto industry when they start out fresh like that. So good stuff, man. We'll break that down for y'all tomorrow night here off the live stream. A pretty nice little 1 minute candle coming in on Bitcoin right now, so hopefully we're starting to see a little reversal here tonight, guys. Get some stuff pumping. Probably going to see a rejection at 21,229, but let's see what happens here. Let's see this. Which got the latest news on Polygon MMF NFTs, and they are going to build the other side of the metaverse. They're going to work on. Hell yeah. Damn, this is a good article, but I don't want to subscribe to them to open it up. What's Ethereum's big merge mean in the crypto land? Watch this. I know how I can get past it. Crypto claiming Ethereum domain names, gold rush to just Web3 hype. Coinbase would shut down ETH staking under regulatory threat, says CEO. Let's see what they're talking about there, because that's a real concern, man, right now about ETH staking. Responding to a hypothetical scenario on Twitter, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said that the company would shut down its Ethereum staking service to preserve the blockchain network's integrity in the event of a regulatory crackdown. The hypothetical question was posted on Sunday by some guy from, I don't even know who this is, founder of Roadkey, an open source crypto analytics and accounting app tagging major companies like Coinbase, blah, blah, blah. Basically, he went around asking companies how they would respond if regulators would ask them to censor at the Ethereum protocol level. with their validators offering two possibilities: A, the comply and censor at protocol level, or B, shut down the staking service and preserve the network integrity. Armstrong responded on Thursday, writing, "It's hypothetical we hopefully won't face, but if we'd go to with the B, I think got to focus on the bigger picture." So that's some news right there. Hopefully we don't get no regulatory shit popping down anytime soon. See what happened to HUSD past week. Second largest stablecoin destabilized to 86 cents. Tether is taking steps to increase liquidity in case of a run on USDT. If Tether is destabilized, the Bitcoin is 6,000. Hey, Bulldog dropping that knowledge, man. Yeah, absolutely, bro. You know how much stuff is propped up by USDT? Man, you see a wreck on USDT, bro. Watch the fuck out. USDT. %58 of commercial holdings went down for Tether since previous quarter. Tether to release monthly USDT reserves report with new auditor BDO Italia. Tether reserves fell 16 billion in Q2. Yeah, you're definitely right, though, man. We see a debacle in USDT. You can watch out. Cryptocurrency prices today. ETH falls by 4%. New altcoin stabilizes. XRP moves up 1%. Where is XRP? Still at 37 cents. That's where I'm going to bet. I didn't look at it today. 33 cents. So what? Yeah, whoa. Yeah, it took that dip. Cryptocurrencies prices fell as Ethereum, Bitcoin both plummeted, even as some altcoins such as Solana and XRP began to climb. The global crypto market capitalization, look at this red bar coming in on Bitcoin right now. Let's see what happens. That's a big red candle, big 1 minute candle coming in. Starting to see, hopefully not another breakdown. The global crypto market capitalization fell by 1.16% to 102 trillion, and the total crypto market volume increased by 4.92% to 80.18 billion last 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. Today's top gainers are Trust Wallet token. It was trading at $1.04, increased by 6.16% in the last 24 hours. The top losers was LIDO DAO, which was trading at $193 with a $10.70 10.7% decrease in the last 24 hours. Almost said $10.70 decrease, but 10%, guys. Ethereum fell by 4.33% to 1628. Down a little bit more now from that level right there, and its market cap decreased by 4.32% to 198.7 billion, while its trading volume decreased by 6.49% to 20.6 billion. As right now, it's getting hit a little bit harder, guys. We're starting to see some selling pressure here off of Bitcoin, man. 21,164. Let's see what's going on here. 21,137 looks like where we're heading. A little bit of selling pressure coming in. Not too bad. Ripple XRP's price soared by 1% to trade at 34 cents, while its market cap increased by 1%. Solana's price increased by 70.74%. Cardano ADA's price decreased by 1.1% to 45 cents. Its market cap decreased by 1.14% to 15.4 billion. Doge and Shiba both increased about 2%. There will be slashing in Coinbase ETH. Man, look, Coinbase is probably your safest bet right now as far as any exchange, but it doesn't mean it can't fail. So as of right now, man, get your cryptos off the exchanges if you can. Get you a cold storage wallet. If you don't know where to get one, I can definitely point you in the right direction. But just get you a cold storage, man. As of right now, especially if you're gonna be a long-term holder, I would definitely recommend getting them off the exchanges. You saw what happened with Kraken and a bunch of other exchanges where their liquidity, basically everything gets locked up, man, and you can't get your money off. That's bad stuff, man. Bad for business. That's what I was pulling up before I stopped to read that HUSD. All right, guys, so HUSD stablecoin returns to $1 peg after liquidity problems. The HUSD stablecoin, which was issued by Stable Universal, has returned to the $1 peg after dropping 8% on Thursday. In a tweet on Friday, HUSD said the fall in market value was connected to several account closures, including the market maker accounts. The coin's market cap, which sunk to $136.3 million on Thursday, is now back to $160 million. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are designed to hold value against other assets, commonly fiat currencies like the dollar or euro. Terra UST, which has an algorithmic stablecoin with the market cap of 18.71 billion, collapsed earlier this year. HUSD is cash back, which means that every issued token is backed by a dollar in the bank. We made the decision to close several accounts in specific regions to comply with legal requirements, which included some market maker accounts. Due to time difference in banking hours, that resulted in a short-term liquidity problem, but has since been resolved, HUSD said in a tweet. Crypto exchange, I can't even pronounce this, Obi said that it worked on resolving the issue, revealing that the peg was reinstated within 12 hours. So a little liquidity problem ran to HUSD, but about enough to force some people to, freak the fuck out, man, especially what happened after Luna. So you heard of Hex? Yeah, it's that project with Richard Hart, man. Yeah, it could have, if you got it early, yeah, it was really promising, but I think it's still super hard to buy, man. Let's see if they updated that Hex. Let's see if they made it easier to buy, because, man, before it was a bitch to pick you up some. Let's see if they, yeah, it's still available on Uniswap. Hex for USDC. Probably going to be easiest way to pick you up some. Hex is up 2%. It's currently sitting at 4 cents. But Hex is a solid project, man. I'm not knocking it. It's just not for me. What's up, Tree City West? What's happening, bro? USDT dominance is a good chart to see what the overall crypto market is doing. Absolutely, man. We just hope that, we don't see some more shit with stable coins go down, because people are already on edge, man. And, we want to build confidence, not make people feel unconfident, especially in the markets right now, man. Because right now for Bitcoin, man, we're still in a bit of a downtrend. Took a leg down, and it hasn't popped back up yet. 20,700 is that double bottom action that we're seeing. So until we get a run back to the upside, we're probably going to have a continuation of this. And that's why it's important, man. I hope you guys tune into the live streams, because we kind of warned you guys at 25. If we couldn't break that 25, we're going to see a pretty nice little dip. And of course, we went all the way down to 20,700 from there. So 5,000 swing price, and 50, as much as 50% to the downside. More than that on Sheep. So Sheep looks surprisingly pretty strong right now. Could see a pretty nice little rally once again for Sheep. So like I said, after I'll probably hop off the live stream, I'm gonna post that to Twitter. Just the way the technical and the indicators are popping up on Sheep, it looks pretty promising. Guys, any more cryptos that you guys are bullish on? I can tell you mine right now, and that's XRP. I'm super bullish on XRP, even though this chart looks like shit. I don't know what this candle was. That was probably a glitch in the system. But a nice bear flag. So you could be coming up on some pretty nice buying opportunities right here on XRP here shortly, guys, if you're not looking at one right now. I mean, this chart looks the same. I could probably pop some pretty nice trend lines, which I actually might do. It's been a little while since I popped a line here off of XRP. Let me extend this. So still, even though this dip is happening right now, you're still in a ascending level of support. You haven't broken down. Now look, if you break down, it's looking pretty weak. There's a chance you could break down below that. So I would kind of hold off, maybe look for that 30-cent range if you don't have any XRP right now. You could go a little bit lower, but hopefully these indicators aren't lying to us and we start to see a little reversal coming here shortly. MACD looks like it's ready for a reversal. RSI is currently, you know, 33, so way oversold. But you know, you got to keep in mind that RSI can ride pretty low for quite some time. 23, you know, it stayed 23 to 40 for a couple weeks within this area right here. So just be prepared for that, man. But MACD looking like it wants to flip back to the green side. So that's why I'm hoping a lot of crypto looks the same right now, and we could see a reversal and start making some pretty good tendies across the board, guys. Buy the fear, sell the greed. Yeah, let's actually check where the crypto fear and greed index is at, man. Rick, man, you still holding on to your Jasmine, bro? Yeah, fear is now way in the red, back to 27. So we're looking neutral last week. That was the top of the pump, guys, for right now. So hopefully we start to see a little recovery coming in here shortly. But we saw that fear start to really switch from that neutral to that fear, and that was definitely an indicator that some selling pressure was on the way, and that was definitely came to light right here, guys. So took a pretty good dip once those indicators started to flip on us, and that's why it's super important to pay attention to it. You know, every day I look at the crypto fear and greed index, guys. It's super important to look at. Let me see if you guys no, you can't see it, but just type in Bitcoin fear and greed index. That's going to give you a pretty good indicator of what the market's doing. Of course, you want to buy in the fear. You want to buy when there's fear in the market, man. That's you want to buy when it's too greedy. Even tells you that in here. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And the market went neutral, man. And now we hop back to some more fear in the market. So I think some more buying opportunities are definitely in the are definitely here for us, maybe even right now. Jasmine price right now is at below 1 cent, still in that high 9, but it is down, is up 1.56%. See any news on Jasmine coin? Didn't find any news. Let's check out Jasmine coin Twitter, see what they're talking about. Let me change this up. Jasmine is on sale thanks to Bitcoin. It's a good day on the weekly. Stay tuned. Yeah, I like that. Where's the official Jasmine? No real news coming off of Jasmine, man. Hey, Pedro followed me. I'm gonna drop you a follow back, man. I don't know if you're watching, Pedro, but appreciate it, bro. Definitely make sure to follow you back. Yeah, Rick, you could be hanging on to that Jasmine for a little bit of time now, man. So guys, that's what we got. We got a big major pullback where the indicators are showing us this could be a pretty good potential bounce opportunity. So, you know, pick your favorite cryptos, man. Maybe, you know, dabble a little bit off this dip, man. Be a good opportunity right now. I think indicators are all lining up that this could be a bounce point. But if we would drop any further, especially for XRP, you'd probably see 30 cents. Let me pull up Bitcoin one more time just to give you guys a perspective. I think if you would see a breakdown even further, you're going to start to hit that 19.5 once again. 20,000 is where I'm going to mark right here for some really, really good support. That's a real big psychological number right now. And will we see it again? It is definitely possible. You could see that as soon as tomorrow if the market would take a further dip to the downside. Of course, we'll hop on live and make sure that you guys are up to date with the latest and greatest, guys. But crypto's looking weak. It is looking like a good chance for a rebound, but we are looking a lot weaker than we have been over the past couple weeks, guys. So definitely keep that in mind, and we will keep you in mind. So if you're not in our Discord, man, let us know. I'll be posting a link in the video after this show. And then follow me on Twitter, man. If y'all got any questions, make sure to drop your boy a follow on Twitter. I'll follow you back. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up for the show tonight. We touched base on Bitcoin, Shiba, Doge, Ethereum, any other cryptos you got. If you want me to look it over, just let me know real quick, and we'll definitely make that happen. But if not, we're going to continue here tomorrow, and hopefully Bitcoin will stay above that 21,000 or that 20,750, where it looks like there's potential we could be heading there. 1 minute chart's getting a little bit weaker. 5 minute chart, still looking a little bullish, but we will see what happens, guys. It's hard to predict, especially right now with the way everything is going. That's a pretty nice little dip right here at 20,760. So we are still looking weaker, guys. Just keep that in mind. Kind of double bottom action. Didn't quite fall out just yet, but we did have a little double bottom at 20,700. So just be careful. But Jay Hem, appreciate you, bro. Glad you're part of the community, man. Got that wrench, man. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, everybody. We'll have Gamer on the channel tomorrow night. That'll be pretty cool. Talk about some MMM finance and then give you an update on the weekly stock picks. So, guys, I appreciate it, man. Much freaking love. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Bullfrog at 9, man. You keep up the good work, man. I like the stuff you've been doing on the mic. So, that being said, guys, I got to run. Much love. I'll see y'all tomorrow.